What's up, guys? You join me here again at a familiar place, the car wash. So we're meeting up with 3 or 4 other LCs tomorrow to all cruise up into this car show. And as you can see, my car is absolutely filthy. When I was playing out around in the rain in yesterday's video, you can see I've got dirty raindrops everywhere. So we're gonna clean that all off. We're gonna try one more new product called Geon Wet Coat. It's a spray on and rinse off kind of solution to get like a nice slick feel to your car, and that should probably help with the drying off as well. But we're also going to start with some good old Optimum no rinse so we can soften up some of this harder material on the car before we rinse it off. But yeah, we'll get to this car wash and then get back on the road and head back home. So yeah. So the car is looking fantastic, ready for our meetup with the 3 other LCs tomorrow. Hopefully we get there early enough that we can all get parking next to each other. I'll put this back in drive for now. And yeah, hopefully it's a good turnout at the show once again. I doubt that Pagani's gonna show up again, but maybe something else will come out. There was one guy who bought out his F40 and F50 Ferrari. So that'd be cool to see one more time. But yeah, I'm really just excited to have 4 LCs all together, going out to Cars and Coffee, I don't know what that is, Cars and Coffee together, and just having a cool time. There's another event up in LA, and I think we're going to Neptune's Net. If you've seen Fast and Furious, then you remember that. Yeah, they're doing an LC only meetup, so me and Steve are gonna try to go to that. He's the one with the orange LC that you guys will see in tomorrow's video. And yeah, that should be a pretty fun one. They're gonna do some canyon driving up there. I forgot at what canyon they said, but I'm super excited for that one. That's somewhere mid-October. Then I'm also going back to Arizona, I think the first week into the second week of October. Yay, it's my birthday month, October. So that's gonna be cool. I'm gonna do a photo shoot with some of my F buddies out there, RCF, GSF, ISF, and we'll have my LC500 there. And then I think we're gonna do a photo shoot or a video shoot going up the mountain. So that'd be cool. I'll bring you guys along for that journey. You know, I will just drive in automatic only, so you guys can see how it reacts with accelerations and stuff like that. So I'll probably go like half to 75% throttle right now if we don't hit that plastic bag. You know, we'll throw it in a Sport Plus mode and see how it holds the gears while we're driving. I wonder if I can show what gear I'm in on this. Oh yeah, here it is, gear position. So currently it's just holding 8, and I think 9 to 10 are the overdrive gear, so it's not gonna go into that. This guy's gonna get into the left lane because he wants to go slower. Check out this older car over there on the right lane. That's pretty sick. It must feel so sketchy driving that car on the highway with like tires that skinny. It's so cool though. Gave him a thumbs up and he looked at me like I was stupid. Great. me say my goodbyes a second time. But thank you guys for tuning in once again. Catch you guys tomorrow for some more LC500 shenanigans. Times 4. Wait, 1 times 4 is 4. Yep, times 4. All right, see you guys later. Peace.